Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Spicy chicken with corn preparation. 3 tablespoon oil. 2 finely chopped onion. 1 teaspoon salt. Sauté for 3 minutes on medium flame. 11 finely chopped green chilies. 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 2 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Sauté till the oil separates. When oil separates, add 1 cup finely chopped tomato. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. 1 cup sweet corn. 1 tablespoon crushed coriander seeds. Half tablespoon crushed black pepper. 1 tablespoon crushed cumin. Mix well. Cover and cook on slow flame for 5 minutes. 1 cup beaten curd. Mix nicely. Bring to one boil. Add 5 grams boiled chicken. 2 cubed capsicum. 1 teaspoon salt. Cover and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. Can be served with bread, naan, garlic bread or paratha. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.